He's hanging upside down on that branch. See how striped he is? That's why they call him, I think, he's a ladderback woodpecker, but with a black fluffy head. Not sure what's going on. Work out your nervous energy, dude. And that's all that's going on in this yard. Oh, some little birdies. Cute. And the wind is blowing. The wind is blowing. There he is. Not sure what he's trying to do. Maybe he's trying to get pieces off of that branch. That's a dead branch, fell off the big tree about a year ago. There's two things. They say don't water a Palo Verde, and yet if you don't, if they don't have somewhere to get